Your product page is one of the most important pages in your store. Welcome to Pebble Theme tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to customize a Shopify product page using the Pebble theme so you can clearly present your product and create a better shopping experience for your customers. Pebble comes with ready-made presets that already include well-structured product templates. That means you don't need to build everything from scratch. You can simply replace the preset content with your own products, images, and information. Let's walk through how to customize the key sections of the product page. Now we're in the Pebble theme editor. At the top of the editor, open the template selector and choose the product page you want to edit. In this example, we'll select the default product template. This template controls the layout of your product pages, so any changes you make here will apply to all products that use this template. Let's start with the product information section. This section includes the core elements of your product page, such as product title, price, variant picker, quantity selector, buy buttons, product description. Most of this information is pulled directly from your product settings in Shopify. But in the theme editor, you can customize how these elements appear by adding or rearranging blocks. For example, you can add blocks like product inventory, icon text highlights, and additional product details. You can also drag and reorder blocks to adjust the layout based on what you want customers to see first. Inside the section settings, you can also customize the product media layout and style. The images and videos shown here come directly from the product media in Shopify. Pebble automatically displays them on the product page. Using high-quality images, such as product shots, detail images, or lifestyle photos, helps customers better understand the product before making a purchase. Next, let's organize additional product information. Pebble lets you display product details using collapsible rows. This helps keep the page clean and easy to scan. You can edit the content directly in each block. For even more flexibility, you can also connect these fields to Shopify metafields. This allows product-specific information to automatically appear on the page. If you'd like to learn more about using metafields for products, check out our tutorial for it. Next, let's add product recommendations. This feature helps you cross-sell by showing related products that customers may also be interested in. You can add product recommendations either as a block inside the product information section, or as a separate section on the page. Displaying related products helps customers discover more items and can increase your store's average order value. Beyond the product information area, you can also customize other sections on the page. For example, Pebble presets often include sections like image with text, product storytelling sections, feature highlights, testimonials. These sections help you showcase your product in more detail and strengthen your brand story. You can easily add, remove, or reorder these sections from the left panel in the theme editor. Finally, let's switch to mobile view. Pebble is fully responsive by default, so your product page automatically adapts to different screen sizes. But it's always a good idea to review the mobile layout to make sure everything looks clean and easy to navigate. And that's how you customize a Shopify product page using the Pebble theme. Pebble's flexible layout makes it easy to build a clean and engaging product page for your store. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Pebble tutorial.